Clemson University, nationally known for its collegiate athletics. Located in the upstate Piedmont region of South Carolina, Clemson University is surrounded by rolling hills, natural streams and rivers, 3 man-made lakes, and dozens of state parks and recreation areas. For years, students and faculty have joined with the local community in their appreciation for the natural environment. Over the last decade, Clemson University has formalized this appreciation into programs meant to minimize impacts to the environment by incorporating sustainable design, setting energy goals, and requiring new buildings to be LEED certified under the U.S. Green Building Council's rating system. Appropriately, one of the first new buildings to achieve LEED Silver certification combined the tradition of Clemson athletics with its long-standing commitment to preserve the natural environment, the Clemson Rowing Facility. Completed in January 2007 at a cost of $1.6 million, this building is physically located on the main campus, making it easier and more environmentally sustainable for student athletes to travel to and train in the facility.
I can't say enough about how great it is to train here. I actually transferred here from a D1 school that was ranked like 50th, and to come into this where we have everything. From the outside, the building, it just looks like a normal brick building. And I didn't, the first year or the first couple months I was here, I didn't realize that it was a green building until people started telling me, like, no, this is all like environmentally friendly. And that was just like, wow, because you can have everything here like we have and still, help the environment, which I think is great.
Although it seems normal to a casual observer, appearances don't tell you that this typical pre-engineered steel structure was manufactured in South Carolina using 100% recycled steel. Nor can you see how efficiently the heating and cooling system gets fresh air to the athletes training inside. Every good athlete knows if you can't breathe, you can't win. The rowing facility was designed with breathing in mind. Materials such as low VOC carpet and adhesives and formaldehyde-free wood lockers were used to keep volatile organic chemicals from floating around in the air, as is commonly found in normal construction. If carbon dioxide levels in the training room go up, sensors signal to bring in more fresh air from outside, and airflow in the locker room was carefully planned for the athlete's comfort and use.
We turned all the showers and all the water faucets on in the locker room. The mirrors don't fog up, and it keeps the room cool and not too humid.
Good ventilation and fresh air normally mean more energy is required to heat and cool the building, but the rowing facility employs 3 energy recovery ventilators, or ERVs, to not only keep the building functional but also save electricity. Each ERV recovers 75 to 85% of the heating or cooling energy in exhaust air and transfers it to the incoming fresh air. In addition, the amount of insulation in the roof and walls was almost doubled to conserve more energy. And energy requirements are reduced even further by using advanced controls to shut down the system when the building is not being used. Besides heating and cooling, the building was designed to maximize natural lighting, with sweeping views of Lake Hartwell. Natural daylight even makes its way into interior offices and the conference room, and when combined with occupancy sensors and timer controls, significantly reduces the need to use overhead lights, all of which are appreciated by the athletes and staff who enjoy the efficiency this creates.
Another reason why I think that this facility is great is because it really it helps with like team building, because not only do we have our training center, we also have a great lounge where we can hang out, have team meetings, have team dinners, and that really helps with like the inter-squad bonding.
In total, the energy-saving characteristics of the Clemson Rowing Facility limit its electrical consumption to 20% less than a similar new building, and an astounding 65% less per square foot than the average existing Clemson building. Likewise, few people consider the sustainability of other materials used in the project, like the certified renewable wood used in the lockers, doors, and casework, recycled carpet, or regional materials like Cemex stone, which was quarried less than 15 miles away. Few realize that the landscaping with native species minimizes irrigation requirements, or the fact that the permeable parking lot absorbs stormwater rather than allowing it to run off into the lake. Far from being a normal building, the Clemson Rowing Facility is the start of a new generation of Clemson facilities, earning the coveted Leadership in Environmental and Energy Design Silver certification. No doubt this facility has made a substantial impact on Clemson's championship caliber rowing program, but the impact reaches even further.
All the members of our staff have a hybrid car. We think about where we put our trash and making sure that we're recycling and and our student athletes are thinking about recycling. So I think it's really definitely affected all of us in our daily lives.
Despite its modest external appearance, the Clemson Rowing Facility is a proven model for sustainability, benefiting the environment, the university, and the lives of its inhabitants.